Okay, so today's question is minimum string length after balanced removals. Okay, so you are given a string as consisting only of characters A and B. You are allowed to repeatedly remove any substring where the number of A characters is equal to number of B characters, and after each removal, the remaining parts of string are concatenated together without gaps. Okay, so we have to return an integer denoting the minimum possible length of the string after performing any number of such operations. Okay, so let understood this question with the help of an example. Sorry, so here is an example. See, the string is AABBAB, right? So see, after removing a substring, okay, or any after removing any number of substrings, but the condition of choosing a substring is that the substring which we want to remove, that we are choosing, should contains equal number of characters A and B. Okay, so here we can choose a substring like this. See, this ABB is no. We can choose AB. Yes, we can choose AB. We can remove AB. Now we will choose AABB, right? To remove, then also the answer will be 0. Or if we can directly take all the all this substring as our substring to remove, and our answer will be 0. So our task is to simply find the length after removing all the subsequence, all the substring which contains equal number of A and B. So I think it's very simple. I don't know why it is marked as medium, but it's very simple. See, forget about any test case. Okay, just think a simple point that if we are giving any substring, let's suppose any if we have given any string, let's suppose a not comma a b b b b a b b. Okay, any. Now see, if I am able to find a substring with equal number of B and A, then I will remove, right? So here, for example, see, the number of B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So we'll also take A as 7 number of A, right? So it will be like this, and okay. So see, okay, again, this. See, this will be removed. Now after removing this, it will become this. Okay, now I will remove this, suppose. Okay, then I will remove this both, then this both, then this both, and then this both. This is the remaining, right? So what we can do is simply we will count. Okay, we will count number of A and we will count number of B. Okay. Now if number of A is greater than number of B, then the number of B will cancel those number of A which is equals to number of B. Okay, let me code for making you guys understood more uh, effectively. Okay, so see what I'm going to do is simply I will write int A equals to 0, which is the count of A variable, uh, which is the count of A character in the string. Int, okay, int B equals to 0, which is the count of B character in the string. So I will write for auto el in s. Okay, if okay, if el is equals to A, okay, I will write A plus plus, else I will write B plus plus. Okay, simple. Now I will simply write return. Okay, see, here the number of A is what? 1, 2, 3. Number of B is 3 also. Then it's 0. See, here number of B is 2 and number of A is 1. Number of A is 3. So simply we'll take the difference and we will take absolute difference of A and B. See, let's see if it works or not. Because this is very simple solution for this question. And the question is marked as medium on lead code. So we have to see something. Okay. Is there any mistake? Okay, sorry. A minus B. Okay. Yeah. Not A comma B. We have to find the absolute difference of A and B. Okay. See. It's very simple question. I don't think that it should be marked as medium on lead code. Okay, you guys can see this. It's very simple question. Okay, so I hope you understood the approach of solving this question. Okay, and if you guys know another optimized approach, okay, which is more optimized than this, then please let me know in this comment section. And also, if you are having some suggestion for me, please do comment it. And also, please, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then please do consider it subscribing because I need 50 subscribers. And in previous video, I have told you guys that I need 50 subscribers so that I can communicate with you guys. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.